Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Well, today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this brand new hair clipper from Kemei. And normally I never do something like this, but this is Edo Unboxing approved. So, this is Kemei. This is a hair clipper from Kemei, and this is a really good hair clipper. For me, I don't know, maybe the best from AliExpress. This is Kemei with the model number KM 1862, and comes with just one color, this green, and the back black, and I guess the back is a metal or something like that. Comes with a charging dock, 9,000 RPMs, and got many speeds. Okay, and 2,500 milliamp battery, 3 hours charging time, operating time 150 minutes, 3 hours. So what else? Nothing else. 8 watts, which is good. Comes with some accessories, and yeah, I never really like the blade that comes with Chinese hair clippers. This type I don't really like, so I removed it. But first of all, let's take a look inside. So inside it's like this, as usual. The usual. Oh, okay. We don't need this one. The manual. Okay. Charging cable, and it's a USB-C. Okay. What else? Little brush. This is the charging dock. Okay, and uses a USB-C inside, as you can see. Okay, comes with, I guess, 6 guide combs. So, and it's also with a collar, as you can see. Okay. Oops. And the last one. Okay. No oil, I changed the blade. Okay. And I put a TPOB Architect blade. So this is the blade that comes with this hair clipper, the cutter blade, and this blade. Okay, so I don't really like it. I never like this type. I don't know why. I never tried it, but maybe it's good or not. I don't know, because I never tried it. So I always use other blade on it. So this is the blade that comes with it. So now, this is the hair clipper. Nice hair clipper, a small hair clipper, as you can see. Comes with a USB-C, charges with these 2 pins on the charging dock. Click lever, 5 clicks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks, and the grooves, which is nice and very small. And you can regulate. It got many speeds, which I don't really like. If it's at 2 speeds, then it would have been really good. The lever, the clicking lever is not bad, but here I don't really like this place, but it's okay, and I guess, I don't know if maybe it's a metal here or not, but it's solid, I have to say, really solid. Comes with a LCD display. Okay, so you can see. So now I changed it with Architect blade and the cutter blade of the Architect. And the cam follower also from TPOB, from Architect, which is good. It fits perfect, so you don't need to do any molds for it, and that's why I said it's Edo unboxing approved. It's really good. I just stopped the camera and listened to the sound of this hair clipper. It seems loud because of this mic, but in reality, it's not loud at all. I have to say, it's not loud. So don't say, it's loud, it's loud. It's not loud. It's because of the microphone. That's why it's loud. A little bit closer just for you to see. This is the TPOB Architect blade and the cutter blade of TPOB and the cam follower of TPOB also. It's good. And this is how much I zero gapped. So you can see. Yeah, it is really nice. Really nice. The only thing that I don't like, two things. Okay, back a little bit. Two things that I don't really like about this hair clipper. The speeds, it's too much. It has to be highest two speeds, 8,000 RPMs or 7,500 RPMs, then 9,000 RPMs. That's enough, two speeds. Then this lever, I'm not talking about the clicky lever, the clicks, but here, I don't really like, But this clipper is really good. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can buy this hair clipper. Then you can change the blade, and this blade is fire. This blade is really good with this hair clipper. So for those people that we say it's loud, I'm gonna test it. Okay. As you can see, it's not loud. And it's not also that heavy. Got a little weight to it, but it's not heavy, So, I don't know if maybe you can see it good. Okay. Oops. Wait a moment. Okay. 299 gram. Wait. No. 300 gram. So you can see comments. We're gonna make a tear down. So, like I said before, this is the cam follower of TPOB from the Architect blade, and it fits perfectly. Yep. So that's it, and it's not it's a normal brush motor. It's not a brushless motor. I don't know if maybe you can see it. So it's not a brushless motor. Yep. a normal brush mod. That's it for the unboxing of this Kemei with the model number KM 1862. So this is Edo unboxing approved with TPOB blade. Peace, man. All right.